Yes, sister, most welcome.
I'm coming from two different cultures. So I'm half Filipino and half Indian. Now, my good friend, she brought me here. I believe everything about Islam. I have no other doubts, but I just want you to help me out. How? I mean, I'm not really sure what's really stopping me. So I just want to ask you if you can help me out.
Sure, sister, you can go ahead with the question. What is the doubt?
And that's the doubt. I don't know what's really stopping me.
No, you are saying that you have read Islam and you agree with Islam, but there's something that is a doubt.
Yeah, there's something that's stopping me, but I just don't know. I just really don't know.
Sister asked the question that there's something that is stopping me, but I don't know what's stopping. Sister, if you don't know what's stopping, so let that don't know. So just, you forget about that and you take a step forward.
Okay.
Sister, do you believe that there's one God?
Yes, I do believe.
Do you believe that idol worship is prohibited?
I do believe.
Do you believe that Jesus is not God?
Yes, I do believe.
You do believe that he's not God?
I do believe he is not a God.
But he's a messenger of God?
Yes.
Do you believe Prophet Muhammad is a messenger of God?
Yes, I do.
Sister, these two things, that there is no God but Allah and Prophet Muhammad is the messenger of Allah, is sufficient for you to enter the school. When someone is entering the school, he need not be a graduate. He knows the basics, he enters the school and then he learns more. So my request to you would be that if you believe that there is no God but Allah, and you believe that idol worship is prohibited, you believe Prophet Muhammad is the messenger of God, you go ahead and inshallah God will guide you further and inshallah you'll be a more practicing Muslim.
Okay.
So do you want to accept Islam, sister?
I think I should. Why not?
Is there anyone forcing you?
No, nobody's forcing me.
Are you doing it out of your own free will?
Yes, I.
So inshallah I'll just say it in Arabic and you can repeat it.
Okay.
Ashhadu
Ashhadu
Allah
Allah
ilaha
ilaha
illallah
illallah
wa ashhadu
wa ashhadu
anna
anna
Muhammadan
Muhammadan
abduhu
abduhu
wa rasuluhu.
wa rasuluhu.
I bear witness
I bear witness
that
that
there is no God but Allah
there is no God but Allah
and Prophet Muhammad
and Prophet Muhammad
is the messenger and servant of Allah.
is the messenger and servant of Allah.
MashaAllah, you have become Muslim. I pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to guide you further and to remove any obstacle. And if you have any questions, you're most welcome to write an email at zakir@irf.net and inshallah we'll try and reply to your queries if there's any further. Inshallah.
Thank you.